Hi, I'm Jim. I'm here today to talk to you about our C5 3 Series holding and proofing cabinets with Insulation Armour and why they're so unique and why they deliver such a tremendous value to the operator. With holding cabinets, you have non-insulated and insulated cabinets. This here is a non-insulated cabinet, our 1 Series, C5 1 Series cabinet. It's a single wall sheet metal aluminum design, gets very hot on the exterior, so they consume a lot of energy. They're not very energy efficient. People touch it at 160, 170 degrees. Surface area is very, very hot. Then you have your traditionally insulated cabinet. So you got 2 layers of sheet metal. Could be stainless or aluminum, fiberglass sandwiched in between. Costs a lot more to produce. It's a much better product. Very, very energy efficient. You have Energy Star rated cabinet, this particular cabinet. The exterior is cool to touch, but as I mentioned, it costs probably twice as much as a non-insulated cabinet. So what is Insulation Armour? Why is it so unique? And why does it deliver such value to the operator? This product essentially is insulated by these polymer panels. So we take our single wall sheet metal non-insulated design and insulate the cabinet with the polymer panels. And it reduces energy costs by 54%. It also helps reduce the cost of an insulated cabinet. So earlier we mentioned that our 6 Series cabinet might cost twice as much as a non-insulated cabinet. A 3 Series cabinet is approximately 30% more than a non-insulated cabinet. So it makes it a lot more affordable type of insulated product for a lot more people that traditionally couldn't afford to move up to a traditionally insulated type of cabinet. Additional features, you can see the panels protect the cabinet. So it's essentially a full body bumper. They wrap all the way around. You have these built-in handles on the side on all 4 corners, which make it a great mobile cabinet when you're moving it around. Makes it a lot easier. You got something to grab onto, and it's integrated into the design. We offer our 3 Series cabinets in 3 different heights. Full height like you see here, 3/4 height, and a half height. The Armour panels are available in red, blue, and gray. We have 3 different control modules. So we have a holding only module, combination holding and proofing, which you can hold or proof. Then we have, this is a high moisture holding module, so I can hold proof, I can hold at high temperatures moisture. The modules are removable without tools, so I can slide that right out. For servicing or cleaning, I can spray the bottom of that cabinet out. And we also offer 3 different flexible slide systems to hold a variety of pans or combinations of pans. Your most popular bulk food pans, your 18 by 26 sheet pans, different depths of 12 by 20 steam pans, gas norm pans, so on and so forth.